Hi everyone, this is Pam from Crafty Kiwi Mama. Welcome to my channel. Students started to go back to school, whether doing it online or in class. They may need bookmarks for their textbooks or agendas. So today I'm going to show you how to make corner bookmarks. I will show two different ways to make a corner bookmark. The first way to do a corner bookmark is using cardstock and stamp. I have the red cardstock here, and the measurement is 5 by 5 inches. I also have two white cardstocks, and their measurement is 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. One is for the front of the bookmark and the other one is for the back. The stamp set that I'll be using today is from Your Next Stamp called Hammie Coffee and Tea. This is the image that I will be using, and the sentiments that I will be using are been thinking about you and it's been oolong. The corner bookmark that I'm making is 2 1/2 by 2 1/2 inches. To make a corner bookmark that is 2 1/2 by 2 1/2 inches, you will need to double that. So this is why I cut this cardstock by 5 by 5 inches. Next, you need to cut it diagonally. Now you have two triangles. We just need to use one of these. I'm taking out my scoring board and I need to do score lines at 2 1/2 inches. Flip the cardstock over and score at 2 1/2 again. Doing this will create two triangles and one square. Now I'm going to fold the two flaps in to turn it into a square. The one with two flaps is the back and the other side is the front of the bookmark. Let me quickly show you how this bookmark works. Here is a book. I slide the bookmark at the corner of the page. When I close the book, you can see the bookmark on the top and at the side of the book. Now, I put the red cardstock aside and start working on the white cardstocks. I first stamp the hamster and the sentiment "It's been oolong" onto the white cardstock. This is for the front. I'm using alcohol-friendly ink as I'm planning to use alcohol markers to color my hamster. Then I stamp another sentiment, "Been thinking about you" onto the other white cardstock. This will be for the back. Let's color the hamster now. These are all the colors that I'll be using to color the hamster. Now I can start to assemble the bookmark. The one with the two triangle flaps are the back of the bookmark. So I flip the bookmark over and will adhere the white cardstock with the image on it. Then flip it over again to the back to adhere the cardstock with the "Been thinking about you" sentiment. I put it where the open corner is in the bottom left. I can call this bookmark done. The second way is to use an origami paper. The one that I'm using here is a two-sided origami paper. One side has a floral design and the other side is a solid color. The size of this paper is 6 by 6 inches. You first turn the paper to make it a diamond. Bring the bottom corner to the top. Then you bring the right pointy corner to the pointy corner in the middle on the top. Open up and bring the right pointy corner to the middle on the bottom. Now, repeat the process on the left. Open it up again and return to a triangle. Now, bring the pointy corner on the top to the bottom. Then bring the flap over and tuck it under. And repeat on the other side. Now the corner bookmark is done. Here is the look of the two bookmarks that I have done today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested, I have also previously made a more traditional bookmark, which I will link at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.